Hey everybody, Kaisho, it's Gregory from Basque Bites, and you probably know I'm at the Guggenheim Bilbao. That's the awesome Jeff Koons sculpture, Puppy Poopy, behind me, which is on permanent display and always in bloom. And I just wanted to give you guys an update in case you were worried about COVID or social distancing. The museum was ideal. I was worried myself, but it's a big space, and they've done a very good job of spreading it out and making sure that everybody is socially distancing themselves. There's hand sanitizer everywhere, and some of the exhibits were, well, a couple of exhibits were closed, like some of the Richard Serres' the Caracoles. But for the most part, everything was open. The Masterworks and the Permanent Gallery, and we had 3 visiting artists on display. Richard Archwager, very interesting, kind of freaky, a little Formica action there. Lygia Clark, wonderful works from Brazil, very abstract, beautiful stuff. And my favorite today, Olafur Eliasson. That stuff was amazing, and kudos to the museum. They really did a great job with the exhibit by spreading it out. So you had to visit lots of different little rooms, vestibules, nooks and crannies, and it got everybody like playing with the space, playing with the architecture a bit more. Anyway, just a quick hello. If you were worried about COVID travel, don't be afraid of it here at the Guggenheim Bilbao. It was a wonderful day, so get out there and play. All right, everybody. Once again, it's Gregory from Basque Bites. Check us out online, basquebites.com. Agur!